We have done a project on Morse code data transmission using laser, and this project has been prepared for Basic Communication Engineering Lab EEE 330. Before explaining our project, we need to know what is Morse code. Morse code symbol represents either a text character or a cosine using a unique sequence of dots and dashes. The dot duration is the basic unit of time measurement in code transmission. The duration of dash is 3 times the duration of a dot. So Morse code can be used as a method of transmitting text information as a series of on-off tones, lights or clicks that can be directly understood by a skilled listener or an observer without any special equipment. Here we have included some international Morse code for English alphabets. We have two objectives: transmit a Morse code data for a text character by Arduino control laser diode, receive the data by a receiver which contains light dependent resistor.
In transmitter section we use 5V laser diode and Arduino Uno. In receiver section we use an Arduino Uno light dependent resistor and 5K resistor. Here is our transmitter circuit. And here is our receiver circuit. We have used following algorithm in our project.
Here is our full setup. In the left side we have our transmitter section and in the right side we have our receiver section. We are giving a text character input in our transmitter code. Here we are using I as an example.
Okay.
We can see that Morse code has been transmitted.
Let's see what appears in the serial monitor of the receiver. The letter I appeared here, which was transmitted from our transmitter section.
So our Morse code data transmission project has been successful. Thanks for watching our video.